Malo, lelei, welcome back to my channel, guys. Faye ake, that's my Tongan. That's for hello, how are you? See, think I don't know it, eh? No, I had to learn that. I had to learn that so I can say hello in Tonga, you know. So it's Tonga Language Week this week, so I thought I'd get into this to celebrate together with our Tongan brothers and sisters out there. So, malo lelei. Anyway, for my mukbang today, I have mussels and white sauce and bisupo. That's corned beef with onion, one whole onion, fried, guys. And then I've got manioka, boiled manioka. Hey, you know, what does it look like? Yes, I have boiled manioka too, and a kangan water, guys. So it's time to eat, but I better do my prayer first, because you never ever not saying thanks to God for providing this food, guys. So let me get my prayer done. Dear Lord Jehovah, thank you very much for this food. Thank you for your love and blessing. Please help those that are needing your help so desperately. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. So the prayer's been done, guys, so it's time to enjoy this food. Yeah, I got my chopsticks. Don't know why, not in Chinese, but there's my manioka. I boiled it. You know, it's like salmon ufi. It is ufi, isn't it? It's a family of anyway, so they have this stalk thing in the middle. You have to take it out because you do not want to eat it. Okay, it will break your teeth and it won't go down well. Let me start off with, I'm going to start off with a mussel, guys. There we go. Sharing is caring. Stuck. You know this bit, how do you eat it? You know why? Because it's like hard to get off. So that's like a mission. And then, like it's chewy. I didn't get any lemon. You know why? Because sometimes it ruins the flavor. Oh yeah. And this is corned beef with onion. Still got the steam coming out. And it's got black pepper. These are boiled real good, like a professional. Tongans love bisupo. They cook it in the taro leaf, and Samoans love it too. Yeah. Yep. I made a white sauce, and then I poured it all over this the mussels. Alright, so they just boil a little bit. I was going to use coconut cream, but sometimes the coconut cream can be a bit watery. But if you make a white sauce, it's good. This is yummy. Tunga, wipe your mouth. So how's everyone's week going? Hope you guys are good. The onion. Very nice. Very nice. My drink is Kangen water. Cheers, guys. See, with the white sauce, it sticks to the muscle. Don't worry, guys. I clean my hands. Always must wash your hands before you eat. I checked every single mussel, and out of all the mussels I only found 2 baby crabs. Because the baby crab can go in the mussels. I think they feed in there and hide away. What have you guys got to eat? I hope you guys are eating good food. Like me. I love how the Tongans, when they have their footy games, the colour of red, they all come out to support, even the Samoans. Because these days, guys, there's more and more Samoans marrying into Tongan families, and the more the merrier, guys, the more the merrier. I have a niece named Lizzie. She's married to a Tongan. Lizzie Harder. So niece, if you're watching, hello to you guys up in Brisbane. I was going to get my husband to come home after work and we do a mukbang. But I don't know what its answer's going to be. So I don't want to wait around. And then he goes, no. So I thought, oh, I'll just start. I usually don't fry this with bok choy. Keep the onion and bok choy. But today, I didn't have enough bok choy. No. It was just spur of the moment. I wanted to do a mukbang. It wasn't planned. So see these flags? These were bought when I was in New Zealand for the Polyfono. And congratulations to Polyfono, Polytube for their 3 years this year. Yeah, because of the COVID, we weren't able to attend Polytube this year. COVID is such a hater. Otherwise, we would have been there or planning to go there. COVID is a hater. Anyway, like I said, congratulations, Polyfono, Polytube. When we got together last year, the Polyfono, it's so good, man. Everyone got to know each other, and we just got along good. So we made friends, right, that as long as we're doing our channels and stuff like that, we are going to be supporting one another. Some not doing YouTube channel, some they do Instagram, but most of us we do YouTube. I still don't understand the Instagram thing. It's like Facebook, but people really like Instagram. People started off on Facebook, but then my kids say they're more on their Instagram rather than Facebook. So my kids, they check for me sometimes, and I didn't know that Polyfono had asked me to do a video, a 30-minute video, 60 seconds or whatever. Yeah, I didn't know. I saw it on Instagram and thought, hey, how come everyone's doing a video? Did they ask me? Did they invite me? And then when I asked my daughter to have a look, she goes, Mom, that's the one I was telling you, that they were sending you a message but you didn't want to read it. And I said, don't be rude. It's not that I didn't want to read it. When you mentioned it, I was making Grandma's food. So, stop trying to throw me under the bus, Geneva. And I'm telling my own story. Jesus. Got no room in mine. No, it's too rubbery. Anyway. So, if we have Polyfono guys, if you guys are going to start a channel and you guys are polys, you join the Polytube movement. That's where we all met. All the poly creators. Some couldn't make it. Some had already been, but didn't make it. And tell you what, they are over awesome. I love being any excuse to be in whatever. Any excuse to be in New Zealand. That's when I found out that a taxi driver, which me and my granddaughter took, cost 100 and something from the airport to Glenanis. And then people were telling me it was too expensive, but I tell you what, it's not my fault that person was like that. If they wanted to take advantage of me and my granddaughter, well, I tell you what, it's not good. It's not good. You take advantage of someone and then that thing comes back on you. You know, it does. It does. It come back. That's why you got to try and do good. You know, do good to people, not do bad to people. So, you know, you don't get that karma coming back for you. Oh yeah. But I love the Polyfono. And me and my granddaughter, we finally went and ate some Wendy's. Wendy's is a beautiful burger. It's and they got nice frosty boy. Frosty boy is a nice ice cream. So hopefully one day when this COVID goes away and Polyfono opens up again for another reunion, it's time to boom boom. Woo! Woo! Guys, this is really nice. How was everyone's Father's Day? My daughter Hope and her boyfriend Anu took us out to Kicking In and that's out in Hanley Vale, kicking in seafood place. So you have to make a booking, guys. You can walk in, but then you have to wait for everyone else to finish their food and get out. Then it's your time to get in. So it's good when you book. So you get there and your spot's waiting for you. Some people, right, they can make a booking, but then they take their time getting there. And here's the poor people that's reserved just here, waiting and waiting. But the rude ones that never ring up to say sorry, we can't make it, so they can give out the table. That's why there should be a time limit. When you're not there in the whole hour, you lose your table. I see this white sauce, lovely. Okay, guys, do you guys like my t-shirt? I'll show you. That's just an awful in summer t-shirt in case I get cold. But the t-shirt, do you know the t-shirt came as a blue colour, and my Samoan t-shirt came as a red colour. I thought to myself, obviously they did it wrong, because blue is for Samoa and red is for Tonga. Hello. Anyway, so I made a tie-dye out of it, and now it's just this kind of colour. But it's still got the name Tonga. It came with it, with the t-shirt. See, I'm meant to do my mukbang, but I'm talking about my t-shirt. You know why? Because I was just thinking, you guys might be curious. And you're going, no, we're not Faye. We're not curious. Saved by the bell, guys. Saved by the bell. Ring, ring. Can somebody answer that phone? Oops. Someone over the door. Who's there? I can't see with all these lights in my eyes. Anyway, back to the eating. When I said, oh. Anyway, I can't see out there, it's so dark. Yeah, stop it. This is so good. Guys, let's go back. I have a story to tell you guys, but never mind. Well, hurry up. Yeah. Guys, so what did you think of my tongue? Malo lelei. Faye ka. Faye ake. Malo lava mai. Thanks for coming along, guys. Malo ya happy mai. See, guys. Wai lo lo makua Faye nga pakonga. You know what happened? Here's me eating, and it's blabbing off my mouth like I always do. And the camera was off. Rude, rude, rude. Rude camera. You better watch it, camera. Better watch it. You know I got a new camera, but I haven't used it yet. Do you want to go in the black bag and then that Canon come out? Don't be naughty now, Saini. Oh, that reminds me of Shakiba. And my lips don't lie. Just stop it, old lady. Stop it. Happy Tongan Language Week, guys. And congratulations for Polyfono, Polytube. Guys, you deserve every applause there is. Thank you so much, Polytube, Polyfono. Thank you all so very, very much. May God continue on blessing you all, and may Tongan Week be really awesome. And come on, guys, teach our children how to speak our tongues so they can grow and continue on our probably some of you don't even use your tongue, but that's not a bit rude. No, what I mean is language, guys, language. So guys, it's good to have you join me today. And all I have to say now is take care. God bless you all. Thanks for joining me. Appreciate you guys so much. And and thank you for subscribing and always watching me, supporting as well. So really, really appreciate that. You all take care of your families, and you know, spare a minute for those who are begging on the side of the road, because you know, if we're fortunate enough to have more than we can, you know, enjoy, maybe we can just give a little to those we meet along the way. But for the time being, you guys all take care. Fa soifua. God bless.